Welcome to our bilingual investing community giveaway, guys. This is our second giveaway on our channel. As we said about a month ago, a little bit more, we said we were going to have 3 giveaways until the end of this year. One was for Halloween, this one is for Thanksgiving, and then we're going to have a Christmas / New Year giveaway as well. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys informed. So again, this is our second giveaway, guys. Thanksgiving Black Friday giveaway for my amazing community. In order to qualify and participate, check below, guys. So I already made a short on our channel, for people that let's actually go take a look here. Go to our YouTube channel real quick. Let's see here. Let's see. This is our Spanish channel, by the way, because we have 2 channels, just in case you guys don't know. We have a Spanish one, and then we have the English one right here. So as it pertains to this channel, English channel, we have a short right here for people that didn't have a lot of time. They just wanted to be able to know the details on how to participate. You could check that out. Is an express version as well, but in this version is the full detail. So that's the focus of today's video, guys. Again, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Come on now, guys. How are you gonna see this great educational content and not subscribe to our channel yet? That is irresponsible by your part, in my humble opinion. But again, guys, all jokes aside, how do you subscribe, Jay? Just click on this button. It's easy. Click on the subscription button right here. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press educational content. So that's easy. That's the first condition to qualify. The second one is just follow us on our Twitter page. Jay, how do we do that, Jay? How do we follow you? Well, you can go to our Twitter. How do we get there? In the description and the link down below, we're gonna actually leave our website, so you can click on that. It's gonna take you right here. You click on Twitter. Once you do, it's gonna bring you over here. All you have to do is follow us and become our new follower. So Jay, what happens after that? Well, you're gonna comment, like, and repost the following tweet, guys. So we're gonna come over here, and again, guys, we're gonna leave the link in the description down below. You're gonna come to this tweet, you're gonna like it, you're gonna retweet it, and then you're gonna comment your BUSD address, guys. Memo, if it requires a memo, the BUSD address, then you include that as well. If it doesn't, then you just put straight up your BUSD address, so that if you win the giveaway, then we can send the funds over to your address, guys. So stay tuned. That's it. That's all you have. Yeah, that's it. You just have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, and then comment, like, and repost the tweet. Again, guys, 1 entry per person via their Twitter account. 2 lucky winners will win 10 BUSD each. $10 cash each. Include your BUSD receiving address, as we said, with memo if applicable, in the comment section of the tweet. The winners will be randomly selected from my Twitter followers. So what that means is that rather than the actual followers, is gonna be we're gonna use this app Sorteo's website to conduct our giveaway, just like we did for the past one. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna hit on Twitter giveaway, and it's gonna be the retweet. So we're gonna give away among users who retweet your tweets, guys. So we're gonna click on that, then the URL. This is what I'm gonna do on the day of the giveaway. Copy paste. It's gonna have the retweets there for those that are interested in participate. We're gonna paste. We're gonna press start, and then again, we're gonna be here. It's gonna show a list of people that retweeted. Right now there's none, so we're gonna click on confirm, and then it's gonna it says very few comments because there's none, but again, it's gonna choose the 2 winners from there, guys. So again, if you're interested in participating, it never hurts. Free cash, right? You guys all have an equal chance of winning, in a sense. So again, we plan to announce the winners on November 25th on Black Friday, either via a Twitter post and or a YouTube video or short, guys. So definitely stay tuned. Here's a disclaimer: no purchase is necessary to enter or win. By participating in the giveaway, you have affirmatively accepted and agreed to all of the giveaway's rules and terms and conditions established by the sponsor, us in this case, Bilingual Investing. Twitter is not responsible for the giveaway nor its results in any way, shape, or form, guys. Thank you so much for your understanding. So go join the giveaway now. Again, we're going to leave the description. The link in the description below is easy. A couple of clicks and you're already participating, and you're giving yourself a shot to earn a couple of bucks here just to support our community, guys. That's why I'm doing this, and you guys, by participating, you also help as well the YouTube algorithm, retweeting, you help our community as well. So we would gladly appreciate that. And again, here's the funds here for the 2 lucky winners. We already have that on point, ready to be deployed to those winners. So there's the evidences of that. And for us, it's all about integrity. If we're doing this giveaway, we want to give an equal shot to all our community members. So we're putting here the evidence, we're educating you guys on what the process, everything we do, so that you guys can see everything is clean, everything is clear, the rules are set. It's simple, guys. A couple of clicks and you already can participate in our giveaway of free cash. It never hurts in cryptocurrency, and in this bear market, $10 here, $10 there could go far, by the time the next bull market comes around, guys. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the description down below. Don't forget, if you enjoy this type of content, our educational content on our channel, our free giveaways, make sure you subscribe, you click the notification bell, follow us on Twitter, help the algorithm, help the community, guys. I really would appreciate that. So again, any questions, leave them below. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Good luck on the giveaway. Have a good one.